Every fleet manager needs to optimize their fleet with technology and best practices to drive value for their organization. Fleet management solutions from Verizon Connect are one investment that can generate a quick, positive ROI. In fact, 32% of fleets using an advanced fleet management platform report a positive return on investment in less than 6 months. That's because Verizon Connect helps you measure key metrics and make data-driven decisions that enable efficiencies and productivity gains throughout your fleet. Modern fleet management and dashcam solutions help elevate safety, reduce collision-related costs, boost fuel efficiency, and streamline maintenance to reduce vehicle downtime. Verizon Connect helps improve safety by tracking high-risk driver behaviors that correlate with higher collision rates, such as hard braking, acceleration, and cornering. The platform gives you alerts, dashboards, and reports that help you identify areas of improvement so you can coach your drivers on safer driving. Fleets using an advanced management platform report a 19% average reduction in collision-related costs. Available AI-powered dashcams monitor and alert drivers in real time to reduce riskier behaviors, while they intelligently pull video snippets you can use for coaching. Your driving style summary report even delivers driver safety scores that help you motivate safer driving throughout your fleet. And safer driving reduces collisions, cutting costs, and boosting ROI. What about fuel efficiency? Fleets using an advanced platform report a 12% average reduction in fuel costs. Verizon Connect's advanced fleet tracking improves fuel efficiency by enhancing your visibility into all your vehicles and assets all the time. Live Maps gives you the near real-time status of your entire fleet, and Route Replay shows which routes are less efficient. Plus, alerts and reports give you the insights you need to coach drivers to reduce inefficient behaviors such as speeding and excess idling. More efficient driving reduces fuel usage, cutting costs, and boosting ROI. A third way Verizon Connect boosts ROI is by reducing downtime. In fact, 53% of fleets using an advanced platform experience improved asset utilization. Verizon Connect helps reduce downtime by streamlining maintenance with customized service plans that issue alerts for every type of service and vehicle in your fleet based on time, distance, or engine hours. Plus, our DVIR app lets drivers complete driver vehicle inspection reports on their smartphones to document safety defects or mechanical issues. These advanced tools help catch issues early, before they become costly problems. They help prevent unexpected breakdowns that cause delays, towing, and downtime. They can even help extend vehicle lifespans and maximize their long-term value. They keep vehicles on the road more and in the shop less. And less downtime means higher productivity, boosting ROI. You can even use our Fleet Savings Calculator to estimate your savings based on a few basic inputs. When you combine collision reduction, fuel savings, and reduced downtime, you'll be on your way to a stronger return on your full fleet investment.